Alrighty, that was the Fedelcode Model 5A down at the fire hall. Just went off for a noon blast, so we recorded it up here today at the Sunbury Line at milepost 661, Dalton Siding. Anyway, this is a distance recording. We are located about approximately maybe about a quarter, maybe 3/8 of a mile away from the Siren. But anyway, that was the 1942 Fedelectric Model 5A Siren down at the Dalton Fire Hall with the cast iron stator and rotor. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want more siren distance recordings like these, feel free to comment down below. Anyway, guys, we're going to take a listen here for Newton Ransom in their Model 5 and Chinchilla's STH10. So anyway, I'm going to pause you guys for a minute here, by the way, so we could take a listen. Just so you guys know, I haven't heard anything yet. I'll let you know if factory reveal goes off. Alrighty, folks. Well, I did not hear Newton Ransom. I did not hear Newton Ransom test their Model 5. I did not hear Chinchilla test their STH10. And I didn't hear factory reveal sound their STH10A. I'm not sure if Chinchilla's STH10 is a STH10A or B. I'm not sure, but I know factory reveals is the 3-phase, so factory reveals is an STH10A. Anyway, guys, I did not hear Chinchilla, Newton Ransom, or factory reveal, so it's track view north, track view south. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a safe day. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys for another video. Take care, guys.